In the wake of the horrors out of Quebec, members of the Muslim community say they feel frightened and are on edge. So masjids and mosques like this one in the city, Masjid Toronto, say they want their members to feel safe. They want them to worship without fear. And tonight they're uniting and coming together, as well as ramping up security.
The emotion coming from the reality of our religion that we, even as a Muslim, don't understand it 100%.
Many unanswered questions less than 24 hours after a gunman entered a mosque in Quebec and started firing the deadly shots.
Muslims, like other communities, are victims of violence and terrorism.
That attack on Canadian soil has some concern that this could also happen in other mosques around the country.
We are concerned about all mosques, and we ask them to be careful and to be vigilant and to try to save themselves. We'll speak to the police actually, and they will ask for more support, and we'll consider actually hiring security.
Some mosques and centers, including Islamic schools in the GTA, tell CityNews they've increased security measures, including hiring more guards, adding more security cameras, and asking worshippers to be more aware of their surroundings.
Muslims have heard of these attacks, but never in Canada.
The Ahmadiyya Muslim Jama is also in touch with local and national government agencies on how security can be improved.
Sometimes it can inspire someone else to carry out something that may be a copycat, and we want to ensure that this is not carried out anywhere else.
Several Islamic centers and schools also tell CityNews they've reached out to Toronto Police to ask for additional support. Toronto Police tell CityNews in a statement, "We don't discuss specific security arrangements, but I can tell you that we are connected locally, nationally, and internationally with law enforcement. We have people who work around the clock assessing any possible threats to Toronto's public safety, and we adjust our security arrangements whenever necessary." This latest attack on the St. Foy community isn't the first time Muslims in Canada are beefing up security.
Is this where all these Muslims are? We're going to get you, you Muslims. We're going to get you, you Muslim.
This past spring, an Ajax mosque received several threatening phone calls, which launched police investigations. But with yesterday's attack, many in the Muslim community say it's changed the conversation around safety, that attacks like the one on the mosque in Quebec could very easily happen elsewhere.
Most are dealing with surprise and shock. But I think for the most part, people understand this is not Canada.
And these mosques and Islamic schools tell me they're also in touch with one another, discussing the security precautions they're taking following that deadly shooting in Quebec. Many of them also say they have reached out to the community in Saint-Foy to offer any help or resources.